Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery for this Proton Saga, the Proton car keynote. Okay, sorry, key fob. Okay, the remote control for the Proton car. So first you need to get the open up it first. This is a screw. Okay. So now I try to unscrew it. One. Okay. Open it up. Done. Try to open it. Okay. So this is inside. So already open it up. Okay. Already open it up. So now I'm going to take out the battery. So now I'm going to take out the battery. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay. You're going up to 2 battery. So after you take out, you have to get the new battery. Remember, the code for this is CR2016. Okay, CR2016. You can use up to 2 battery, 3 volt, 3 volt. Okay. But if you want to use the bigger one, slightly bigger, you can get it. This CR2032. So now I try to replace with this, double the size. Okay, you see the size. Use 2. Okay, but I bought it very cheap. This is only 2 ringgit battery. See whether it can work or not. I just replace this to here. Okay. My God. Yeah, can function very well. Okay. So can function well. So after slot in, you just put back this cover and screw it back. That's simple for replacing the battery. Oh, sorry. Make sure you put back the chip. Just now I drop out the chip over here. So make sure you put back the chip. This is a big mistake. Without the chip, you unable start the car. Okay. Put back the chip. Where the chip located? The chip probably is located over here. Can you see over here? Or just here. Put it here. Okay, you can put it here and just cover it back. Sorry, just now I'm showing the wrong position. You have to put like this. This is the right position. Okay, put like this. Okay, right position. Then just cover back it. Hopefully this video can help you to replace your cell. Okay, it's done. The battery is full. Then just put back the screw. Okay, I show one more time. I'm sorry. I show one more time. I show one more time how to put back the cover. Sorry, just now I skipped it already. Make sure it's put from the back. Okay. Okay, once you're done, you just put back. That's all. Screw it back. Okay, it's done. So now I'm going to want to try, see whether it can function or not. Okay. Thing have been done, have been tested, then it's okay. So mean this type of proton key fob, the original one is using two CR2016 battery because it's very thin, you can see. So I try to replace it, but the CR2032 lithium battery. So already proven it's work, so I just can use it. But if you want to use the original, you can, but you have to buy two. So that's all for this video. Very simple how to replace a battery. You can support two type. One is 2032 or 2016 type of battery. Okay, it's up to you. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe to 2M channel. Thank you.